Never lose a precious memory again by mastering the art of moving your photos from your phone's gallery to Dropbox and back. Let's start by getting your photos into Dropbox for safekeeping first. Open your phone's photo gallery app. Now, open the Dropbox app if you don't have it yet. Download it from your app store and sign in or create an account once you're in. Look for the plus button, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap that plus button, and you'll see a few options. Select Upload Photos. Your phone's gallery will now appear within the Dropbox app. Browse through your albums, and tap on the photos you want to upload. You can select multiple photos at once by tapping on each one. Once you've chosen all your desired photos, tap the Upload or Done button. Dropbox will now start uploading your pictures to your cloud storage. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the number of photos while they're uploading. You can close the app and do other things on your phone. To confirm your photos are safe, navigate to your Dropbox folders and you'll see them there, ready to be accessed from any device. Now, what if you want to bring a photo from Dropbox back to your phone's gallery? Open the Dropbox app again. Find the photo you wish to download. Tap on it to open it fully. You should see an options menu, often represented by 3 dots, or a download arrow icon. Tap on the download option. You might be asked where you want to save the file. Choose to save it to your phone's gallery or a specific album. And there you have it. Your cherished memories are now securely backed up in Dropbox and easily accessible on your phone. Keeping your photos organized and protected has never been simpler.